Hello children, today I am going to teach how to do flower vase. This needs are color paper, tumbler, cardboard, spoon, acrylic paint, brush, scissor, Fevibond, stick and tape. Plastic spoon. Take the scissor and cut it. Like this you can cut the spoon. After cutting, you can take the brown color paint. You can mix the paint and you can color it. Like this you can paint it same direction. It will be dry. First one side you have to complete. After dry you can turn the spoon and color it. After dry you can turn the spoon and color it. In this back side also let them dry. After paint it more, you have to paint it like this. Let them dry. You can take the color paper like this. You can cut the center. After this, you can fold it. Fold the paper like this. After, you can fold it now. Take the Fevicol paper and fold it like this. You can take the Fevicol and you can paste it in this edges. Like this you can paste it. Let them dry. After dry you can take the color paper and fold it like this. You can cut it. Like this you can cut. Full sheet you have to cut it. You can see fully you have to cut it like this. Take the broomstick and Fevicol. You can apply this in this corner. You can stick it, this paper, starting place. The 2 minutes you have to keep it like this. Let them dry. After dry, rotate like this. Full stick you have to rotate. And you can stick it. After sticking like this, you can take the flower making green tape. This tape will be two sides gum is there. You can stick it easily. Like this you can do any color paper you can use and do the flower. You can do more flowers. Okay. Paper you can cut it lengthly. You have to cut and fold it equal and cut the leaf shape in this middle. You have to leave it. The side you have to cut it like this curvely. After cut, you can stick this like this middle. You can stick it. Like this you can stick. Like this you can do more flowers. Okay. Like this you can complete more flowers. Plastic use and throw tumbler, glasses like this you can take. You can paint it like this. You can use any color also. You can stick it like this one by one. You can stick it in this tumbler fully. This you can complete this first line. After complete this, you can arrange in this middle. You can stick like this. Okay. Like this you can stick it in this middle. You can complete the second line. Like this you can complete this glue gun with you can paste it, stick it spoon. Like this you can use it. This glass, this cardboard you can use it. Fevicol and stick this color paper. After sticking this in this middle, you can stick it this glass. Stick this glass tumbler. Okay. After this, you can take the white spoon and cut it like this, and like this down. You can first you can arrange and see. After this, you can stick it. You can take the spoon 40 number spoon or 50. You can use it. The glass number size, whatever you're taking, no, that size you can take it. You can arrange and see first. Afterwards, you can stick it. You can use this spoon, 50 spoon. Okay. You can use it flower vase. Like this, you can complete fully. I am sticking without coloring. Here, you have to use it acrylic colors. You have to paint it. In this flower vase, you can keep it this flower like this bunches. Your flower vase is ready. Stay home, stay safe, bye.